Welcome back to Understanding the Sky. There are stars for every season, and in this video we're going to start looking at the stars that you can see in the spring. At the end of this module, you're going to know all about 4 constellations and 3 bright stars. The first thing that we'll do in the first video is we are going to introduce the spring story, and you're going to use that to remember all the information that you're going to learn throughout these videos. In the second video, we're going to take a deep dive and we'll go into each of the bright stars. And in the third video, what we'll do is I'll show you how to actually find the stars and constellations in the sky. But without further ado, let's get moving on the spring story. The Big Dipper is our guidepost. So this is the constellation that you're going to look at to orient yourself. We'll put them up in the corner here. And the way the story starts is with constellation Lion, who is going for a walk in the cosmos, and he passes by the constellation Virgin, and he startles her, and she falls over and lands, and she actually gets hurt. You can see she has a little bruise on her bum, but lucky for her, the kind herdsman Booties sees what happens, and he goes to help her, and he goes to fetch some water from the Big Dipper to give to her. So it's a very short and little easy story, and the lion, he doesn't really care what's going on, he just keeps walking away. And let's go over the story one more time so that you can help you remember it. So we orient ourselves by looking at the Big Dipper, and then we see that Leo the lion is going through a walk in the cosmos. He startles the Virgin, who falls over and injures herself. Lucky for her, Booties the herdsman sees what happens, and he goes to fetch her some water from the Big Dipper. And the last time, Leo is walking, Virgin falls over, she's helped by Booties the herdsman, who gets some water from the Big Dipper. So that's really it. It's quite a short story. But what it did do is it helped introduce these 4 constellations, the Big Dipper, Booties the herdsman, Virgin, and Lion. What I'd like you to do is practice the story so you can remember it. There's only 4 characters to remember. And in the next video, what we'll do is we'll focus on the bright stars that are in those constellations. Hope to see you there soon.